Good morning, children. In the last session, we were talking about the radiation and the materials, the objects which are good absorber or good reflector. Those materials which are good absorber of heat are the bad reflector, which are good reflector of heat, bad absorber. That means dark color objects are good absorber of heat and bright color objects are good reflector of heat. These properties are having practical life examples. There are so many examples, and this can be shown by simple activity also. We can say this is activity. Just take two containers with the same size and fill the container with water. Before filling the water, one container, this container, let it be A, another is B. Before filling water, this is dark color. This is colored black. Inside and outside both. It is dark color, that is black. Before filling this B container, it is colored bright. Bright, that is white color. And fill the container with the same quantity of water. When these two containers are present in the open space during daytime, the sunlight falls on these two water. After some time, let it be after 1 hour, if we take these containers into the shade, sunshade, and if we observe, if we touch both the water, we find the temperature of both the water is different. It is because this water which is kept inside the black colored container is hotter than this one. It is because the dark color absorb more heat and the bright color, white color, which reflect more heat. If it reflect more heat, the absorption will be less. So its temperature is less. This is one example. And then during summer season, we people prefer to wear bright color clothes. That's why the school uniform is kept, it is white in color during summer season, and in winter season it is somewhat partially it is made dark color, that is gray color skirt, gray color pant. During summer season the whole uniform is white in color. That is based on this principle that white color cloths reflect more heat, which makes our body cooler. And during summer season, the partially the uniform, that is gray color, dark, that means it absorb more heat. That is based on the sense that during winter season from our body the heat released to the surrounding, because the temperature of our body is greater than the temperature of surrounding. In that case temperature always flow from high to low, so from our body the heat energy released, so our body feels cool. To prevent this loss of heat from our body, what we people are wearing? We people are wearing the woolen cloths. The woolen cloths are the good insulator of heat. They don't allow heat to flow through them. That's why during winter season we people mostly prefer the dark color cloths and woolen cloths also. And during winter season and at night time, we people use blankets, quilt, and other woolen cloths while sleeping. In that case, also the same principle is used. While you are sleeping, from your body the heat can be released, which makes our body cool. So we feel cold. To prevent the loss of heat, to keep our body warmer, we are wearing blankets or quilt. These blankets, which does not allow the heat to go out from our body. And in that case also, the new quilt means raja, the new quilt and the older one. The new quilt gives more warmer than the older one. It is because the new quilt is having cotton inside, along with it the air also trapped inside. That's why it has more insulation. But the older one, it is used many times. In the older one, the quilt is compressed slightly and it has less amount of air, or we can say that is there is no air. So in that older one, only the limited insulated material fit. That's why the new quilt gives more warmer than the older one. And also during winter season, we prefer to wear more number of cloths, more layer of cloths. During winter season, you are wearing many things. Inner wear and a shirt, on that shirt one light sweater and a jacket. Any number of layer of cloths you can wear. But during summer season, what you people are doing? So we are wearing only less number of cloths. It is because during winter season that the temperature difference occurs between our body and the surrounding. If we wear more number of cloths, more layer of cloths, each cloth is insulated. In between each cloth there is air. The air is very good insulator of heat, so it prevents the loss of heat from our body, which keep our body warmer. So that is all related to this radiation and these phenomena, that is absorption and reflection. Now up to this chapter heat is completed, and already I gave the questions and answers, extra questions in the PDF form. I think you people have completed all the work. This chapter is also completed. Exercise questions also answered in that assignment. Now, in the next video, we'll see the next chapter, that is motion and time.